guys, I'm Jason. This is the Freebird Garage. Today we are installing some Kemimoto leather bags on my FXR. Kemimoto's been kind enough to send these to me. These are the smallest bags of their luggage line to throw over on your bike, and they are the 14-liter size bags. So we're gonna get this box open, get them on the bike, check them out. All right, you know we gotta do our unboxing here, so we're gonna check this out. Standard box, nothing special there. All the way around. That's what it looks like. Let's cut it open, see what we got. All right, so we're going straight to the bags, no insert box. Yep. Oh. We got a bag, some package slip, a blue bag that package them in. Pull this out here. Okay. What is in the bag? There we go. Let them breathe. All right. Check those out. Wow. They are a lot smaller, and they are the essential style bag. Holy cow. Okay. Very nice. So let's go over a couple of the instant features that I see here. We got a lock mechanism, which is pretty nice. You don't see very small bags or essential bags have any of that. It's just a zipper. Definitely dig that there. And then just flat backing over there. Of course, the strap will have to custom fit with the other one across once we figure out our design there. Kemimoto's logo. Now these are a pleather, of course, style bags, not actual leather, but they are water resistant, which is great. Let's go ahead and open one of these here. Check out the inside. Okay, there is some awesome bubble packaging. Pull that out there. We got our rope that we need to tie together. Right there. There's our insides. Real simple. Just like a fabric. Inside, nothing crazy. Definitely feels like it's going to be protected from the elements, rain, and everything. Looks good to me. There it is so far. Let's get them on the bike. We're gonna throw these bags on my FXRT that I have on the stand currently. There's a project going on through a series, and right now this needs some bags anyway to see how they fit and look. And these are just universal bags. They will fit pretty much on any bike that you have out there as long as you can get the seat up and roll these over. They're just a custom fit, easy to throw over. They're not a fixed bag that you can get that will essentially be on your rails back here on most bikes. These lay over, then the seat buckles them down and you're good to go, or remove them as need be. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna get the seat or the passenger here removed and get it going. This rail system that I have on my FXRT is not OEM to the bike, so we're gonna remove this. That way I have more clearance for these bags. They're just easy, 2 bolts on both sides, and we're freed up. Universal part with these bags. We need to figure out our length. Fairly simple, just to kind of lay them over, see where they land. And right about there should do it. So getting these bags tied up and laced up. Comes with this bag here with your rope and zip ties. Cut this open. Alright, instruction manual, zip ties, everything you need to get these set up. Of course, our rope here. Alright, we're going to lace these up. Go doing our crossover here. Gonna make like an X. Goes up like this. Then down there. Same thing repeated on this side. Then down on the other side. There. Alright. Just like that, our cross section. And then tied underneath, just like that. Alright. We're good to flap it on the bike. The real test, what can this bag hold? Now this is their smallest bag, once again, their 14-liter bag. It is an essential bag is what I would consider it compared to the others on the market. But this one is pleather and weatherproof. So let's see what the dimensions are. We are at 10.5 there. And right around 5.25 width and a depth. Right around 8 inches deep. All right. So in any terms, let's get it filled up. We're gonna throw our measuring tape in there. You're going to Home Depot, you gotta get yourself covered. Got some waters, because you can be thirsty on the ride there. Gonna need some tools, in case you break down, right? Gotta throw those in there. Nice hand tools. See if we can, oh yeah, fits perfect. Got those covered. Gonna need a shirt, because you never know where you're coming from. Just gotta get cleaned up just in case. So we're gonna throw a shirt in there. Okay. All right. Starting to hit our limit already. So let's see what we got going. A knife is always good to have. Need that in there. And battery pack. Jump start. Always, always carry one of those. There we go. We are maxed out at that point. So we're gonna go there. We're gonna close it up. Which is good to go. Now, this feature on here is pretty sweet because most bags don't have them, is that lock. Now, this is just a buckle lock. My theory is a lock keeps an honest man out. That's what this is gonna do. It's gonna deter someone that wants to just whoop, pop it open, see what you got. I've been in those situations before and it's not fun. So having a lock just keeps that extra hand out of there. If someone really wants to get in there, of course, they'll just stab it and rip it open, but at least that will keep them away from anything that's inside. Guys, these bags are universal fit. These bags are something that you would want to just throw over, ride, and then be able to take them off if you want to. There's something that's really easy to throw over. You don't have to always have them on there if you don't, but when you need them, they're definitely clutch to have when you're out there riding. Because I've been out there plenty of times, and I'm doing this, trying to figure out where I'm going to shove it in my backpack. If you're a big bag rider, then you don't really need something like this, but when you're riding out there like myself, stripped down on a bike, these are awesome to have. Because if you have fixed bags, you're not looking for something like this. You want something that's more stripped down. This is a great fit. You can throw it in your garage when you're done, or put it on your bike, ride it all the time. It's a perfect fit. Obviously with this bar, it doesn't really match with it because it's supposed to have camshells, but in general, without it there, it looks slick in my opinion, all blacked out. Really dig it. Weatherproofed on top of it. Others don't have that. They give you that little rain bag on top. This has it. So guys, if this interests you, go check out the link below. Kemimoto, appreciate it. Thanks for sending these. And as always, guys, if you have made it all the way through, I would greatly appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button, tap that like, press the notification, leave a comment below, and tell me what you think. For those who have already subscribed, thank you. And as always, stay free. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.